This is POCO C40, and today we would like to show how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So that's how the default Gboard keyboard looks without the separate number line. Just like so. From here you want to somehow get straight for the keyboard settings. You can do that by either tapping on this cog icon, or also there is the way to do that from the general settings tab. In here you want to enter the additional settings, languages and input, manage keyboards, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, go for the preferences, turn on the number row toggle, and as you will be able to see now, this will essentially mean that the separate number row has been successfully activated. It is located right here, as you can see, on top of the characters. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.